We always love signs. Mahalaga din sa atin ang mga signs sa ating buhay. One good example is regarding the traffic rules. Naintindihan natin at nauunawaan natin ang batas ng trapiko sa mga signs pa lang. Green light means go, red light means stop. We always love signs. Kapag kayo po ay magsi-CR, simbolo lang ang nakikita nyo at mauunawaan nyo na kung saan ng CR ng panglalaki at pambabae. Signs are also important to us to see the things and understand the things, even the deepest understandings of this world. Sa loob ng katedral, maraming signs. Sinisimbolismo nito ang iba't ibang turo ng pananampalatayang Katoliko. The sign of the cross teaches us that we should follow Christ even to the suffering, even to the point of death. Signs are very important to us. However, in today's gospel reading, according to Luke, we have heard Jesus saying, "This generation is an evil generation. It seeks signs, but no sign will be given it." Mga kapatid, kay Kristo, ang panyaya sa atin ng Diyos, signs are not the most important thing in our life. May mas mahalaga pa sa signs. They are asking signs from Jesus. The Pharisees especially, the Sadducees and the high priests are expecting Jesus to perform wondrous signs, milagro. Pero nakakaligtan nila ang pinakamahalagang bagay, ang pinakamahalagang tao sa buhay nila. Hindi na yung sign. Si Jesus na mismo sa harapan nila, and they failed to see Jesus as God's ultimate sign. Sa buhay natin, marami tayong hinahanap at hinihingi na signs sa ating Diyos. Sa mga pagkakataon tayo humingi sa Kanya, sinasabi natin sa Kanya, "Lord, bigyan mo ako ng sign kung ito'y para dapat sa akin." We are seeking signs. But to be honest, dear brothers and sisters, hindi naman agad-agad sumasagot ng Diyos sa atin patungkol sa sign. What if God will not give you sign? Ang gagawin natin, let us seek St. Ignatius of Loyola. One spirituality that he gave is the spirituality of discernment. Paano tayo makakasigurado kung ito'y kalooban ng Diyos? Discernment. At isa sa pamamaraan, you choose the better. There are two goods that you will choose. One good and another good. But choose the better part. Sa lahat ng mga hinihingi natin sa Diyos, always choose the better. Always seek the harder one. And always choose which is the lesser, those who are not choosing it. Hingi tayo ng tulong sa Diyos, na hindi na tayo humingi ng senyales sa Kanya. We ask God to be with us, choosing what is better for us. Amen.